Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about how can find the value of f. So we have the formula in here. A squared minus b squared, that is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So we know that this one that is about 1 square. This is about 1 over 3, everything to the power of 2. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we got like this. Now we can do similar for this one. And this one. Next, we need to put this one, and this one go to the right. This one and this one go to the left. Next, this one in here, that is about the square root of this one to the power of 2. So now we can put everything inside the square root, and we got like this. Now we need to simplify this one over this one. Now we can do common denominator by number 3 in here, by number 5, by number 7. Similar for the next one. So number 3 plus number 1, we have number 4. So 5 plus 1, we have number 6. And 7 plus 1, we have number 8. This one that is about 2 over 3. This one that is about 4 over 5. This one we have number 6 over 7. And now we have 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 7. We cancel. Number 4, number 6, number 4, number 6, we cancel. Now we just have only number 8 divided by number 2. And that is about number 4. And this is about number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.